What's going on, guys, and welcome to our channel Cool Case Adventures. Your Central Florida family happens to be here in front of Universal Studios Hollywood, and that's because we are gonna do opening night of Halloween Horror Night. And in this video we're gonna show you basically a haunted house. We're gonna do a walkthrough of a haunted house, take you inside the haunted house, so that way you guys get to experience that firsthand. So if you enjoy this type of content, Halloween Horror Nights, Universal Studio Hollywood, or any other theme park, we highly suggest that you stick around because we have a bunch to show you. We also suggest you
subscribe and smash that like button
if we're sharing valuable content with you. Family, are we ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. Wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it. Right off the bat, you get to see Arthur Clown. He was waving at us already. Don't mind if I do.
Something really bad's gonna happen tonight.
Supposed to be okay, dude. How many times do I have to tell you? Don't freaking try to scare me when I'm on my break. Hey, you're not supposed to be okay, dude. How many times do I have to tell you? Don't freaking try to scare me when I'm on my break. Hey. Don't freaking try to scare me when I'm on my break. Hey, you're not supposed to be okay, dude. How many times do I have to tell you? Don't freaking try to scare me.
straight here from Universal Studios Hollywood Halloween Horror Nights. We hope you enjoy the walkthrough of the house or the houses, depending how many videos you've seen. But until then, guys, sadly this adventure have ended. Don't forget to
subscribe and smash that like button, turn the bell notifications. Bing, 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 and feel free to comment down below. Osmo 2.
smile out, be great,
Be cool, and stay awesome. See you guys next adventure. Bye, guys. Boom, boom, boom.
see ya.
Bye.